probably will not change anybody's mind. Hundreds of photos of the crime scene. A recorded statement from the 7-Eleven clerk who waited on Trayvon Martin moments before he was killed. New reports showing George Zimmerman's DNA was on the gun that fired that fatal shot, and not Trayvon's. All new evidence released today by the state attorney's office.
The DNA suggests that Zimmerman could be the only one that shoots the gun, which is to say that evidence value is zero, because I think that's the one thing that's well established. Everybody agrees Zimmerman pulled the trigger.
Local defense attorney Randy Reep has been following the Zimmerman case closely for us. And after a quick review of the evidence, he says he didn't see any big surprises or anything that would change public opinion.
I think people have sort of come down where they would on the Zimmerman thing.
The 7-Eleven clerk didn't offer any new information, but Reep says that interview was still an important step in the investigative process.
Why is it important to go back and talk to every single person connected to this case?
You know, that conversation, I mean, that question may seem basic, but it's such a critical thing.
Proving Zimmerman's innocence is his defense team's #1 priority, and it's their job to gather as much evidence as they can. But ultimately, it could be a jury's job to decide whether Zimmerman killed Trayvon in self-defense or in cold blood. And as more and more evidence is released, Reep says finding an impartial jury becomes more and more difficult.
It just exposes the opportunity for more people to know about the case, so that could taint a potential jury pool in that way.
Right now, George Zimmerman is in hiding, awaiting trial. No